Welcome this video. Decoration a rustic patio is a great way to bring a wall cozy and natural inspire feel to your outdoor space. Whether you have a long backyard or a smart balcony or rustic theme can transforming your patio into a rustic retreat that blend seamless with the natural elements. Here are some create idea to help your perfect rustic look for your patio. Natural material. At the art of rustic design is the use of natural material wood, stone, and metal elements can add a original vibrant to your patio. Consider you reclaim wood for furniture such as table, chair and benefit. Whether you would add a scene of age and hosting history which is kept to create the live and rustic charm. If your design for such think about stone for a rustic fall, firefox or convenient part away, the feel of an old country. How to bring textile and vibrant to your design. Add a stone fabric or fabric is another way to incorporating natural material well provide wall and a focal point for every gardening.